Hello there and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can invite or add a new email to your old AdSense account. Or let's say you are working with other people, but then you want to give them access to your AdSense account. I'm going to show you guys how you can add them on your AdSense. It's very much simple and easy. So you can see I'm on my home here. This is the home of your AdSense. Whether it's being a YouTube channel or whatever, you can do the same thing. So now we scroll down here to our account here. Good. So let's tap on the account here for it to expand. And then on the account, we move to account authorization here. And then let's expand it as well. So expanding it, we move to user management. Good. So on this page, we add a new user. So when we add them, we are going to give them a role. You can see this is standard and this is admin. So now let me tap on that to add the mail, which is this. Okay, so now I invite them. They are going to get a message in their AdSense. So I can even change their role. You get it? So it's either I give them an admin role or standard. So I'm going to give them a standard. So let me apply the changes. I didn't even do any changes. So that's it on how you can invite people to get access to your Google AdSense account. Is very much simple and easy. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it. Peace.